Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom struggling to find the time to work your 9 to 5, take care of the kids, and even learn digital marketing skills to help you build your side hustles? And maybe you're looking around at different courses and you're wondering, what is the best one for a busy mom like me who's working a 9 to 5 and dreams of someday replacing that 9 to 5 income so you can actually get to spend your days doing the things that you love with your family? Then you're in the right place at the right time. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and I'm here in Dublin, Ireland, studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that. From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping, whatever it was that was going, I was always there on this shiny object syndrome. And I always felt like there was something missing. There was something that they weren't telling me. Now, last year, I actually came across this proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends or slide sneakily into strangers' DMs. And what I'm loving about this program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. So back to you. If you are a busy mom and you're looking around and thinking, what's the best program for a busy mom like me? I have these goals, these dreams to replace my 9 to 5. And where do I start? Where do I start learning the skills? Because there's something missing out there, right? So I want to just give you some tips on what to look out for. So you could, wherever you are now, you could do a Google search, right? You could do search for digital marketing courses, right? And this is these are the kind of marketplaces you'd find. Like this is Google here. You can actually go to Google and learn. You can go through a digital workshop, different kinds of digital marketing courses there, Google Ads training and all that, and you can learn all that. You could go to Coursera and you could, again, you just do your search, narrow it down, and here there's one, Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce coming up, right? So there's different platforms where you can go to study digital marketing. Now, the thing about when you're doing your research, you want to make sure that first and foremost is whoever has created the program knows what they're talking about. They have a proven track record for getting results, and not only them, but they're actually able to help the students get results, because that's what you want, right? Success leaves clues. But one of the other things is that I've found, let me ask you this, right? How many courses have you started in the past? How many do you have login details that you just logged in maybe once or twice and never look back? So this is normal, right? Because you can have access to the best course, but if you don't actually take time to study, to learn the course, and then to apply what you're learning, then you might as well not have that knowledge, right? So what I want to recommend is what I have access to, coaching and mentorship. Not only do you get access to login details, you get access to a proven step-by-step blueprint, right? This blueprint was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren, and she went from 0 experience, 0 technical skills, 0 following, to earning over $1 million in 17 months. Now, in over 2.5 years, she's gone past her 5th million. Now, she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. So far, she's has gone past 100 members, and even 18 South Africans have become millionaires in South African rands, right? So we have a proven step-by-step blueprint. But let's make sure that we overcome some of those objections, some of those things that will keep you stuck, which is mostly accountability, right? Most people, would you agree, if you have an appointment with yourself, right, it's easy to say, oh no, I'm not going to go, but if you have an appointment for somebody, with somebody, you show up. So accountability is a huge piece of achieving success. So let me just share my screen here. Now, I'm not sharing with you the actual blueprint that you get. This is a bonus site. This is extra, the cherry on top. So this is our bonus site here. And in this bonus site, we have 52,000 paid members of our community. Now, if I had any question whatsoever, I can write in here. 139 are on right now. Somebody will help me out, right? But these members of our community are here to lift us up, inspire, motivate, support us in any way that we can. We have a calendar here where we get live interactive coaching and mentorship. So this is not a program where you get login details, good luck, off you go. You actually can log into this bonus site, click here, attend a mentoring call. Every Monday we have one, social media training on a Thursday. And the thing is that these programs, these trainings are from 6- and 7-figure mentors, right? Here we have a 90-day sprint coming up, and all those technical calls if you need help, technical support getting started. And then we also have a classroom where we have more bonuses. So a 90-day sprint is where our multi-millionaire sends us a video for 90 days. This is about to start on the 10th, where every day a video appears in here, and it has instructions, right? So imagine having a multi-millionaire by your side, urging you, prompting you, encouraging you, motivating you to keep going after your dreams. We have mindset training replays, we have mentoring replays, social media training, we have everything. This is extra. It's not the actual blueprint, but it's extra. Now, you might be wondering, okay, does this really work for not just her, but other people? Let me share with you here. Tuli, 17 hours ago, that she made a sales after 10 months, right? Liz, 2 hours ago, sharing how she got 100,000 views on YouTube. Catherine, a day ago, got a $100 ding. Congratulations. Kara, 2 hours ago, $300 sell while she was sleeping. Got my first viral video. Daniel, 11 hours ago, over 80,000 views, right? And with those views, he's got 57 new leads. Absolutely amazing. A day ago, Charlize got her first good lead. Mortgage free. This is one of our 6-figure mentors who she had to get a job cleaning and minding children just to start this program. And now, 20 months later, she's actually been able to be mortgage free. She's a busy wife of 3 boys, and now they've been able to pay off, build a brand new home, and they're mortgage free at such a young age, right? That's absolutely amazing. But what's amazing about her is that she's actually one of our 6-figure mentors. She's used the blueprint, right? She's earned over $500,000. And now she teaches us exactly what she did and what she's still doing. Alan, $300, 3 days ago, made $900 while he was lounging. That's more than a doctor. Nicola, 5 days ago, this is surreal. For 10 months, I watched my fiance Nico earn online while I stayed in my 8-to-5 job, making just less than $550 a month, right? And 28th of January, I finally faced my fears and stepped into the digital world. And now April ends, 3 months in, she's made $6,700 in a single month, right? So, wow, that's absolutely amazing. Congratulations. So these are the kinds of lives that this program is changing, right? People just quitting their jobs, building houses and all this stuff. So if you're interested in getting live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure mentors, I invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, I'm going to send this blueprint to your inbox. Make sure you check your spam folder, your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, if you have any questions, please respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, wishing you the best year ever.